Yes, nze ogamba otya?
Sina buzibu.
Abawagizi babadde bakumbuza ennaku zino lwakuba mbadde bize nagendako wano mu training ya ISO era nsooka okwebaza akukulira ISO ye Kano oba bitibwa bye Kimwami Katabaazi deputy wa ISO yatusomesa ebintu bingi nnyo ku intelligence aboogezi ba government bonna baaliyo okulaba nti ekintu ky'amabaati ne crisis ezifaanana bwe zityo government ebeera aware. So he's somebody who is very intelligent. Ate ISO nali simanyi nti ekola emirimu mingi by the way. Naye yatubuulira ISO byekola.
Uganda does not lack intelligent people.
Uganda ina abagezi.
The problem in Uganda is simple. Bagenda mu constitution bakola national objectives as a gwanga. Nesinga ozibuuza minister nozibuuza omubaka wa parliament objectives eggwanga libeera ne national objectives
ebiruubirirwa
must be a super power.
The objective ya America
be in the driving seat in the international affairs. America si eyo gundi pyramid si yewaabwe.
Pyramid eri ku dola
ya Misiri
ya Egypt.
Naye bagamba nti buli president wa America ayina okugattako leeya ku gundi. Kakati mmwe obuzibu bwa Uganda lack of ideology. Baba batwala ekyankwanze bwereere. N'ekyokubiri political system yamwe gye mukozesa. Toyinza kubeera mu politics ng'oyina system which does not make losses. NRM tekola losses. Why? Nti ne abawangudde mu kalulu era bana naye memorandum of understanding
n'abo opposition bamalera ne bakolera government
teri system eparotinga bwetyo. In America ne mawanga amala what they do nti when Obama came to power yali tayina wa security advisor. He was against deployment and withdrew. Yasaba ba Republicans ne bamulekera Gates defense secretary because the Americans. When you go to agent to Nicaragua, bwe bawangula Daniel Ortega nga bona wangula Museveni basaba Museveni abalekere Salimu Sale. Ortega muganda bwe yali minister defense yali amanya amaje basaba olw'obulungi bw'eggwanga. Kakati ffe mu Uganda ekizibu kyaffe kye tuyina nti tulikoze ebintu bibiri. Tetuyina opposition. We don't have checks and balances. In fact, I'm doing more opposition work than Bobby Wine. Because to counter an opposition organization, mwina omuntu wamwe gwe mutuuma the voice of reason. Voice of reason yaba wamwe mu government. Naye ng'abalaga bimwe either in writing oba openly. That's why mumutunuulire lwaki nsereko nono mbwatekamwa ne gundi oyo ono musajja bali bana tebagwangako mu kalulu.
Honorable Nsereko tagwangako mu kalulu.
Yes.
Honorable Segona tagwangako mu kalulu.
Segona oyo muveeko teri mu kategori y'abana.
Ate mwami Mpuuga.
Bano benaale mwaba Mpuuga baveeko.
Gundi tinkasimire
agwa.
Tagwa.
Mbwatekamwa ya movie.
Balebe mu people tebagwa.
Lwaki tebagwa? On the ground. They are very important assets of NRM.
Batekamwa balinga batano. Balebe mu
people bayitawo. Tubayita the voice of wisdom, the voice of reason in a party.
Bayino bam. Abawakanye ekibiina munda.
Muyina okubeeramu naye gundi naki muyina okubeeramu the back benchers in the government, in all political parties, including single party states, must have freedom to express their minds. Naye NRM inako kasinge etabuli kimu. Parroting ne babayita mwenna. Kyova olaba nti abe NRM n'abagezi tebashayinize mu parliament. Nganda can stand up nayogera labisiwe. It can happen here like what is happening in Sudan.
No Abraham muddamu.
Tewali.
Honorable Nganda semujju parliament yajefuze. Nenge mbyayogera tebiri magezi.
Kubanga Yesu
ne kwateri yobe NRM.
Nti special forces, to have special forces No, in modern times, you have a specialist unit in the army. The SEALs.
Navy SEALs is America.
Is America. Kubanga, ojabba we byambalo. Every Kenyan patrol policeman, aina a bulletproof jacket. Why Uganda agisobola? Ngamukyayambala ne gambutu.
Nakirabako Kenya.
Buli ali ku kabanga lye Kenya.
Aina bulletproof jacket.
Robbers. Aina a bulletproof.
Agaffe tegayina.
Mu Uganda, bwolaba abamaje abambadde helmets. Helmets zimu ebika. Waliwo etayita musasi, neyita musasi. Naye mmwe, nosanga omuserikale ng'ayambadde, ataddeko kakaki waggulu.
Ayambadde helmet naye yakaki.
Yakaki. Kakati kitegeeza nti olw'okuba olina resources ntono, to help with these people okwambala engatto edetectinga mines.
Amaje ga America engatto ze gambala zidetectinga mines.
Ezo kama vyo ziraba zimuyita hama. Motoka za amaje bazikamotorizing. Zidetectinga zisikalandi mine. Hama. Tizita musasi.
Ne phone tuzitwala anti za masali.
Nkubudye bagikola mpuku. Ebyo tosobola biwa bonna.
Abiwa special force.
Tosobola biwa bonna. Oyina okuteeka mukakati ffe tulina be tuyita ab'entomo. Sharp shooters. A sharp shooter bwe bamugamba nti mirundi ali ne mutabani we. Naye twagala okuba emirundi esasa afa omutabani asigalewo. Bwe bayita ba sharp shooters.
Be bakola ekyo.
Bonna mu nsi tebali talented the same.
Sharp shooter alina okuba nga ali talented.
Bamugamba nti kuba eriiso lyakuba.
Tumubba omutima. Nakuba omutima gwokka.
Defensive driving. Abavuga abakulu mu mawanga agamu bamuwe motoka 10 nazikuba ebigonga ye bwazivaamu.
Ye training
kati mumine motoka ne message muyina.
Oyino zikuba ebigo.
Era nalaba nga ne Kenya babbi. Abe Kenya bali abasajja abanasa nga bwe babba wano. Tubatere bizungirize ku mwezi. Bakugambye ko nti ekya China nasa yekiteekayo. Ekyalasa tubakubire ku mungalo. Mu fenero ne banne. You have a satellite for environment. A satellite. Have you seen NASA launching a satellite of the Chinese?
No, Israel.
You nabba naduka nabba president naganti I can't defend Museveni. Kubanga Museveni akulaze nti ateke kizungizi ku mwezi to monitor who. Is it volatile or not function?
Kati nabye kizungizi nabyo yali byaki.
Before abazungu bamanyi how to steal money from blacks. China bwebe ekola engatto ezigenda mu European Union. China is the largest trading partner with the European Union. Osanga engatto mu Europe nga ya dola $10,000 nenge no China yakukolera yawo netava ku mbaga.
China bonna classes ezikolera abaavu abagagga European standard nenga bifaanagana.
Ye bakolera nti adapt aba Japan bagera technology naba aba China ba Asian balaba technology wa America ne bamufuula cheap
ne bamukopa
ne simu zetu laba zemwogererako zali za American army omusajja nadduka n'agenda mu Nordic countries n'azula simu tezali za communicating nga ffe communicating nazifuula commercial
simu zali za amagye gokka
America
nga amagye ga America igazikosa.
Kakati what am I telling you mbagamba nti okujjako nga mwitegedde. That's why I'm happy. Nti afene muhozi takes people to Rwanda. Why? Nti abasajja bava wano ne bagenda ewaabwe. In spite of all the resistance, Rwanda is developed. They utilize their resources, the resources they have.
No much you get the stuff. Jeno moza abera nye Rwanda.
He's impressed.
Yegomba Rwanda.
Kubanga wanayogera ku Bungereza nayogera na waza myaka 6.
Ti Rwanda kasika tineka developing ze mangu.
Ti Rwanda zeina.
Baina resources tono.
Mu tourism waliwo gundi mountain gorillas za Uganda. Naye abanyarwanda bakola ekintu eki bebaziwe emmere eno zijja kupama. N'oluguudo olugenda gye ziri si lulime. Tourism, Minister of Tourism, n'engalo n'essejjembeeye. Countries depend on others' stupidity. Amawanga geeyambisa busiru bwa malala.
Okulaakulana.
Singapore teyina mino teyina kyeyina. Naye Singapore processing very additional. kyekola kyokka.
Ne Japan teyina mineral. Tebalina gold, tebalina
copper.
Balya ku bwongo bwabwe.
In 1848 the Japanese started the UPE. Naye wamwe mumuzanyiramu. Uganda had the highest standard of education in East Africa. Ngabana bavana basire naye buli kaseera curriculum until you have diluted the education and ate abaana bamwe tebalimu kubanga waliwo abagula ebitabo abaleeta ebitabo ebipya buli kimu commercial.
Curriculum empya egenda benefiting abakubi b'obutabo obupya.
Yes.
Kwa buno bulina obuvaawo.
Teachers, best teacher muki mutujjire ebi mwasoma mmwe. Best teacher propaganda titles.
Naye education yo bagizanyiddemu nnyo.
Mugizanyiremu.
Bagidailutinze.
Nnyo.
Curriculum.
You know, the issue is not the course you take. The issue is the level of civilization of your country. If you're interested in education, about 19 billion, but it is radio, TV, but sentiment, ebirango mawulire kati ebirango mawulire. So if we mwebba mwekka ne mwebba mugenda kugwa.
Sente za radio bazibba. Eza TV ne bazibba mu COVID. Kwa abana balina okusoma ku radio.
Ne gali muzibbi.
Bicycle ne babba.
That's why I support Muhozi.
Amabaati ne babba.
I support Muhozi because history has shown, examples have shown, that once a government collapses, the biggest orphan of that regime is the members of the first family. Mu first family semwali badde mu musuma. Naye waliwo alowooza nti ye yajja okuddira Museveni mu bigere yakyonoonye kyonna n'akimalawo ate ajja bufuna kyava joozi ensi yonna n'agijoga n'agimalawo kati n'azimba structure nga yiye naye ng'agizimbira ku bujoozi era singa Muhozi tazze two things would happen. I'm telling you, I'm a political scientist. The army would take over the government.
Singa jeno Muhozi tazze amajiga dega jawamba obuyinza
parliament bagijewo mulete mugende mu history munoonye. I want somebody at Roading the 17 reasons why Idi Amin topoti Obote obanga teziriwo kati.
Amini nga tannawamba president Obote yawe ensonga 17 lwaki amuwambi naye zonna 17 ze yawa
wezigeraageranye kati.
So General Muhozi tava kujja mu byabufuzi
bade bagenda bajjawo
amagye gabadde gajja kuwamba government
kiti oba revolution nalabye omusiru omusajja naga nti Uganda is like cows. You had them on Orole, they enjoy the ride, but they end up in the abattoir. Nti buli omu yenna bamugula buli mumuzijeewa
sente
nti buli omu yenna bamugula nga bamugulawa. This is why I'm telling you nti teri kibiina ky'opposition kyali sirise nga kirebye sikando mu government. Bobi Wine would call a press conference. Bessie would call a press conference to pressurize the ministers involved, everybody involved in the scandal, Amabaati scandal, to resign.
Naye twali wano n'otugamba nti eby'Amabaati.
Wulira, olabyeko Besigye, olabyeko Bobi Wine, olabyeko Mpuuga. They are mugged.
Bobi Wine
ekitegeeza balina kwolebwawo.
Kulwanagana tebalina budde
bwedde. Bobi Wine yalize n'aga nti they should resign. Gwe si kikyo. Omulimu gwa opposition kuwummula bituli mu mabaati. Omulimu gwa government kusiba party. Exactly the pressure on Museveni. Anybody who took from the people, sort of from the people must resign. Bobi Wine naita putasobola. Ababi bonna bampuuga mwebali. Mwebali kati abo bafu beerawo beere. Parliament ogiwamba buwambi n'olaba badduka emisinde bayita madirisa. If we don't have Muhozi and Museveni, we would have a coup. Did you give iron sheets to the soldiers who are MPs in the parliament?
Ba MP bamagye tebafuna Amabaati.
But betaaga. How does an ordinary soldier feel ne mukazi we? Naffe batubuuza mukola yoki? Kubanga alina okkunya ku mutwe akunyaleko akuteeke mwanda we yazenga olugozi.
Nti omusirikale awulira atya nga abalaba ba minisita babba.
Mukazi we n'amubuuza naye mumwalibwako mbwaki. N'Amabaati tebakuwadde. Ne palisimane teziriiyo.
Omanyi nti kyoyogedde kituufu kuba abasirikale balaba obubbi obuli mu gavumenti.
Miliyoni 3.
N'olaba minisita ng'atutte biliyoni.
Miliyoni 3. N'olaba nsaba Katonda ne bunoveeno. njagala okulaba ku magezi ng'ali Kabangali ate nja mulabako.
Minister Magezi.
Njagala mulabeko ku mpingu. Policy money. You excite a person? You excite poor people, Ugandans? That there is money? When you don't have money as a mother, don't prepare an artificial wound. Todira ndagala no sanikira sefuria itali mu mmere. The children will be angry. Museveni comes up and says, everybody should get a Magezi. Magezi ajja kukwatibwa. This is a storm. Nobody will stand. This is a hurricane. It's a battle against survival.
Government
yerwanako Tayebwa ne bwana yogera emirundi emeka. Be mu peace tebakwatibwa mwayo nona dda.
By the way, ensonga eyo Muzeyi, Speaker Tayebwa yawoninze police.
Ajitya, neba mujolo.
Ne Speaker n'agenda n'abajjayo ababaka ku CPS.
Irigo.
Hey. Choya Speaker ne bwana
batya. What is important today is not what they are doing now. What did you do yesterday? Waliye makerere ngoli mulandi. Kubanga oli abadde akola strategy. Ono abadde akola strategy. Ye yali bwe baali bakola strategy yaabwe. Balowooza nti they will be in power. Nti bajja to protect their footmarks, they will be in power. There is an emerging force.
Parliament yeyo nona.
Let me tell you, Kanyamatale Kana, you don't need to go to Parliament to get a member of Parliament who is arrested. Are you going to arrest a soldier? A general has been arrested. No, puta. Me, I don't believe we. So-called in Debo Bonjagala. Wait. Kakati echo chembabuza, tuina chetuita precedent. What if a soldier is arrested for participating in a robbery or misconduct? Tinyefunza. Yakwana malaya mukono. Malaya na amudukako ngatamidde. Nakuba abaserikale bena baleeta obbagali ya mukomera. Nasanga omuserikale wa polisi namugamba nti we don't send a case. Tetugira bawo. Nakwata omuserikale namukuba. Katumba Wamala yali commander wa police, Inspector General of Police. Yaita Tinyefunza ne yetundu.
General Tinyefunza yetundu.
Okutwalira obubaka bwa parliament mu ngalo. Ndi we are attacked. The speaker and the deputy speaker believe that by questioning them, they are attacked. If you believe that you are not accountable to any law and the population of Uganda, what will happen to the soldiers?
Parliament erina okukikkiriza teri waggulu w'amateeka.
Yes.
Speaker ne deputy speaker we baba bakwestioninga balina otegeera tebali waggulu w'amateeka.
No, what will happen to the army?
Amagye singa bagakwata.
Speaker ne deputy speaker tebasoma byabufuzi. Let me tell you, revolutionary politics states a successful revolution demystifies arrogant individuals and institutions. A successful revolution nga gye tuyina mwina muba equal before the law.
Teri ali waggulu w'amateeka.
A parliament that passes law would say, ffe tukugamba mawulire, if you arrest me, charge me. Nobody has been detained. Naye nova mukomera n'ogisa n'ebivulu, you are stupid. A smiling minister in a dock, you are stupid. That's not how normal people. Are you the first person? Why is it that this current parliament is facing challenges? Previous
parliament zeyaliteina.
Mulimu ba amateurs.
Mama Kadaga bwe yabeererawo. Parliament teyalina bizibu nnyo nga kati.
Bano ba amateurs. Nandutu alowooza wa.
Abafuga parliament ba amacha.
Be MPs balowooza nti they are purpose. MP akwatibwa, omubaka akwatibwa.
Mubaka akwatibwa.
Tell them as gundi yabayise mu mugamba ayise ne parliament ababuye the limits of parliamentarianism, the power and where the power of parliament starts and where it ends. If the former president of the United States, Trump, can go to court.
Trump bamuyita mu court n'agenda.
Tayebwa alowooza kinene nnyo. Ono omukyala alowooza katugende tubajjeyo bwakubesasi. I want to release
so speaker okugenda gye ababaka ku CPS.
It's wrong.
Kyabadde kibi.
Yes, Kanyamale Kana ring.
omubaka akwatibwa is not above the law. So kati guno omusomo gwe twabaddemu yiso gwe yategese n'ababaka babayite member of parliament amanyi ga parliament wegakoma ne police amanyi ga wegakoma.
Being amateurs in politics, they think that being an MP gives you diplomatic immunity, and in many cases these people went to parliament, many amateurs in politics. Others went to parliament as to protect, to cover their former footmarks. Bajabayola Baja bakwata bagala okulaga nti tetukwatibwa kuba bayina security engineer cupboard.
Nalabye speaker agenze ku CPS nachi yalinga ne meeting sebo.
Baja bakwata tebaliwe babonera.
As if parliament is above the law.
This is a political storm, and I want to tell them that if it was not Museveni, the respect soldiers according to Museveni and Muhoozi, who is a link between the army and his father, this parliament shikateliwo. When a naked woman strips naked, a drunkard woman to fellow drunkard is raped. All of the governments that have been toppled here have reached that level. The problem is always parliament. Parliamentary failure to know the reality. They should know the reality. The people know it.
But the government parliament,
and that's why parliament is the first victim. Nemu allocating privileges, nemu allocating chihawu.
Nebeyongeza emisala.
The most important people in Uganda.
Kiwulira nnyo ekyo ekyetwa omubaka takwatibwa. Member of parliament.
A member of parliament cannot be arrested when he's going to parliament. A member of parliament cannot be picked from inside the parliament. A member of parliament cannot be arrested on his way. Netoka nti ojja kulya enguzi. Abaganda baga nti bakananisa kakala mukomubbi okuzaala abalongo. Because in Uganda, once you produce twins, a Nalong cannot be beaten up in somebody's garden.
Nalong Buganda never musanga
but don't think that parliamentarians, you enjoy. The only person in Uganda who enjoys diplomatic immunity in his own country is the president. But they have a clawback when he leaves the power. The other person who enjoys diplomatic immunity is the cardinal. A cardinal is a minister in the Vatican embassy.
Cardinal Wamala takwatibwa.
No, he has two passports. You go to the pronounce. Utakwatibwa.
Mu Uganda batakwatibwa bali babiri.
Boka.
President ng'akyafuga ne Cardinal Wamala. Kwa Cardinal Wamala minister mu Vatican.
MP ekikimukola kyekipakola ekinze. Nti omulamuzi abba ettaka.
A judge
nabba. Yes. Baba omulamuzi yabadde abba ettaka ekitende wano yikaza abaana nnya.
Nabayambi nebatwale
mubama yinjadduke
nabayambi abo minister nawandike
ebbaluwa bwe tunatandika nga ne chairman WLC1 nabaga nti if we praise such a people, what about a medical doctor kagana yana enkolonchinga ku mukazi wo? What about soldiers
bakwate emundu?
If they mount roadblocks, if they fire indiscipline uncontrolled, if soldiers surround the parliament, waliwo ayinya waawo ora balutama kuzinga ayise mu dirisa dukana mboze talabikako segona talabikako.
So speaker ino okukitegeera parliamentary waggulu w'amateeka nga bwalowooza,
and everybody doesn't know you, and you must conduct yourselves orderly. Nti if somebody is arrested, why are you given escorts? You were given escorts to as liaison officers. Nti you will read naye mbubagala Tayebwa ayagala atayivatinge ave ku Amabaati nti police is brutal. If the police is brutal, tell us a minister who was arrested by the police who came back limping. Ayo mukama otenderezebwe katonda we
oba muzeeyi
katonda yampa amagezi
daddy oba speaker Tayebwa
oba mbula kayimiyinga mugundu aveeyo lezi mu leave parliament. Me cannot blackmail me.
Muzeeyi
kitango lunaku lumu aba UPC bangamba as a young man ne banga nti oli mwana mugezi nnyo, we are scouting for highly intelligent people, twagala kutwala buyinde kusoma. As an excited lad navuga kitange nga nyambadde t-shirt ya UPC ne tukekalisiza omulale. Kitange ne bamugamba nti yogera nti oyingidde UPC mutabani we agenda asome. Mirundi bwe yakwata kazindalo yagamba bwe mba omusiru baga nti obusiru yabujjako omwana wange bw'aba omusiru baga nti obusiru yabujja ku kitaawe, naye ate nze bwe mba omusiru tebayinza gamba nti obusiru yabujja ku mwana we, navuga eggaali n'agenda. Mirundi, what he was saying was that I'm more intelligent than that boy. For him, in the short term, he wants to go to India, but it will affect my status. I'm a DP man, a staunch DP man. I cannot join this. I cannot join UPC to satisfy the demands, the desires of my son. My father rode the bicycle back. I missed the journey to India, but I visited India with the president in a more precise manner. Don't harass my son because of what I say. He does not have any authority on what, and I have many children. Don't I talk about land?
Kati banaba msana gonjo cha muzee tusembere wano jango imirire wano katono msimbemu kati banaba tigomya mukuru wange John mu parliament
msam
nga bagamba nti yogera ku parliament nene ffe mutaka otuongerako
everywhere ne musekanso mulimu abana ne muli venu nawa
byonna bitongole bya government
yogerako why bajja kuba ebintu byange. I cannot deny that I'm not a part of government. Bonye nnyo omulenzi atujoze n'atujoka n'atunyoko n'atunyalako n'akawata ssente zaffe ne tubonaabona ne bakuba amanyo ne bagajjamu ne batta omwana wange ne bakola ki kuba nina okukkiriza ngende omuwanda weyaze ng'olugosi nakubeera lugosi. No, I resisted, I calculated. Namanya nti mu myaka 10 bajoze bajja kumuddusa emisinde. Bajoze. It was a bad strategy okujoga abantu okubaniako okulowooza nti once you consider yourself a colony prince, bakuba. Mbabazi consider himself a colony prince, yagwa.
Ne bakuba.
Bamukuba. Why? Abalala. That's why Muhozi has come with a different wound. Theirs was to tell the population that Museveni had failed. Muhozi is coming up with a different approach. Reform. The system is reformable. What about B? A battle against the civils will continue. I want to assure you, the battle against corruption
is going to continue.
Will continue. And Muhozi is a general who is using tactful
military
wound
into corruption.
Wait, look, the way he started. Basoka ne bamukola konti bamwandamani nge bakoleki monitor ajja kugwa babakatone nekikola ki
bokatoni bwa monitor siddanga mukubulaba
bajja kukiyola buyozinga binyeba bakiyibwe mukama bakigaje ekyo kyadduka babadde balese banna Kenya bamukuba ebyawedde. The other time when Muhozi visited Rwanda, they said we were supposed to go together as a family to sell your milk from Rwachitula farm. Why has he gone alone? Imagine him with Kagame. Did his secretary enter? Did the father communicate with them via Zoom? Kati yagenze nani? Yagenze ne mukwezi.
Minister wa security.
Mukwezi kati mubayimiriddewo lukungiri oba mutadde mu nsawo. Yagenze ekabale gundi najja. Kale kayula. Abo baba maze abaawo. Ani yamukuba? Natwala cameras, security cameras. Nadduka najoga ensi naginyako naginyalako.
Jeno Muhozi ne Jeno Kale Kayihura.
Do you believe? Are you saying that Kayihura is not a serving officer? For Kayihura to attend such a meeting, he had to get clearance for the commander in chief.
Tumamuli mutu. Jeno Kayihura okujja ku mukolo gwa Jeno Muhozi. Amagye gadde galina omukiri.
Yes. Bali mukwatiddewo.
Bandi mukutte kituufu.
Naye dina amaaso naye tebira bagenda ba buli mubbi agenda.
Rwanda yagenze ne Jeno Muhozi.
Nasiyewo ente yange. Bwe sirabako gondi magezi ngali nga bamujimbi olwa sente za Poliisi money. Poliisi modo. Bwe sirabe ku musajja oyo nga bamujimbi okujjako nga awaddeyo abaazirya. Okumukwata bakawo badduka. This is an irreversible storm. Corruption is an irreversible storm. And even if Museveni comes back, Muhozi will have an upper hand in the administration. Kati obanga mmwe bwe bakukwata ne bakusiba okomawo n'otuula. It is still arrogance. Get an example. When Muhozi was arrested, did he come back? Kaboyo was a senior person in USO. Kaboyo is a close relative of the president. Why? But once we become arrogant, you incite the population. that this man Rugorobi gets the audacity of organizing prayers. Prayers for what? Hide yourself. Then the monitor says, a smiling minister, idiots. Until you see, prosecuting a minute. No, in politics, we don't want you to be humiliated. What Museveni has demonstrated is that omukazi omugoba mu nyumba ye nasigala nga ugania kuchikomera guwebaka. Museveni has demonstrated that he is in charge, and whoever messes up with the public funds is arrested. The question of remaining there is that's why you don't have the moral authority to fight the Bashiyas. The Bashiyas are trading with their annases. You are stealing the people public property.
But Minister Amabaati babinyo n'okusinga Bashiyas.
And the rest of Musiyas forces his way into somebody's wound.
Honorable Kasaidi wa finance yenga tebannamukwata.
Ye Museveni kyeyakoze akimanyi kati bali underground.
Yasinga obeera arrogant.
Batumena kalima batume gundi nabanja batumani. The message has gone. Mukwatibwa.
Minister akwatibwa.
Ne musulayo. That's a message, a strong message. I told you if Museveni has handled generals, who are you? If Museveni can handle generals, who are you? Does Museveni care when the generals are arrested for indiscipline? Does Museveni influence the court martial? No, they are there. But the issue is a precedent has not been set. Kuby'okubba.
Ministers were disarmed.
You mystified. Minister baba mu church nalaba nali ngende eyo gende kamuli. Motoka yange erimu akagombe.
Sayiri.
Ngaliwo minister aliko wayi. Neka kubamu yabwetera mu trading center dako na ingira toy. Yali agamba police emugoba.
Emotoka eno erina sayirini ya right of way. Wasange emotoka ya minister n'okateeka mu yali aloza poliisi yemugoba n'adduka.
Yayimirira ku trading center ne mulinda ndabe n'ayingira toy. Amazima gennyini. Ask my driver and my station.
Choga minister mu Uganda kati batya. Walabo omusirikale adduka.
That's what Museveni wants. That's what Museveni wants. Cabinet will have negotiated it. Why did Museveni tell these people to return the earning sheets, which were counted by executives? Yecho chiwedde.
Abalazeeka
abantu era kati Museveni n'ateeka waka lwafuna 90%. Abakuteko ne bali lugolo bya tujana akoma lugolo bijana akoma okulwana bano bonna je banakoma kati bakesa luchanga nkoko ya mutamivu monde taba wa brave face parliament is attacked. Parliament is not attacked. Parliament is not attacked.
Neye speaker bamukwata.
Parliament is not attacked. Parliament must meet the president for guidance. That's why in this book of mine, the latest one, I defend the speaker. I say the speaker is in a dilemma. The government chief whip taina sente za nankabirwa. Nankabirwa bamuwanga sente kuba ni kadaga. Kakati this man obuwa bamugoba. Ne bamugoba eri ogwanga yakole shui. Ani atanyiga basajja mwe. Mbonze ndeka 5 billion bantwale mu nyobe. If this man wants to access this man, he should go to New so amazi. I can give for mirundi ejobo. Genda kuwenyuko. Akasajja katayina magezi. Muna ntamuzanga batamuza ndi kazungu. Amai kazungu. Amai furniture to be moved from one place to the other. But you know bali
bakwe million yana.
Bali se 5 billion. He must sit with us, with the members of his family, and he tell us that he will never omusajja yabagambe we are provoking mirundi is a very arrogant man. I know the impact of these recordings, and I'm still capturing you. So if you are willing to give me 5 billion, mwada ngulinga that sentence, and umanyi banonya 50 mirundi apologizes. Bali bampite nolinja patira yeshankwanza. Mwampona ne mumpita mu meeting mu office ya Kalugiri. Hey! Nalingena nabo. Okujjako nga mukkakanyiza obujozo obwo. Ne mutegeera naffe tuli baana b'abantu. Banyaffe tebatuzala through the buttocks. We come from very powerful families. Muleka kutuniyako na kutunyalako.
Bayi bagala wetonde.
Ntya.
Mbogamba musole.
Choze. Apologize.
Bokedde kube.
Ndaba wakikuba mawulire. To apologize.
Mirundi has apologized.
Kuchi. Are you God? Kakati abo bagamba baganda bana. As a man told you in your meeting that once you provoke that man, the professor of psychology told them in 2014 that man will never bend an inch. He prefers his integrity to money. Don't dangle money.
Dosa ya kufuka mira.
No. batumenye omuntu ewange. But I know as a human being, these were younger people. They involved in crimes, heinous crimes that are not mentionable, which will haunt themselves and their children and their descendants. For me, what I want them is an unconditional refund of my money. We can freeze the money, freeze it. We can follow him up, follow me. Tebakyasobola kuttayo omuntu
tebasobola
factory zikwata omuliro
ne bakutta factory zikwata
n'omutwe gwe ngadduka. They're in a weak position.
Bakubiddwa.
In marketing, once you see a new entrant, the Muhozi factor is very important. Muhozi factor is a political storm that will not leave anybody standing.
General Moses is a storm.
Yes. And the politics is a perception. He went into northern Uganda, was welcomed by who? Okeroliem, because they know each other. He has gone to Kabale and
welcomed by General Kaihura.
Mirundi. All of this grant on a joke of a Nyangako, on a Yamunuzi.
The Avenger.
On a Bada to Kuba, Bada to Niako, Katalimu Dairema. After once something is started, Nikitandika Katinga Chikolede. This is why I decided to mend the fences with Balam. Because these people are saying that we are correct. We are not correct. And it tells you how much I value my appointment.
Was the one a Balam Balugahari?
The twins are Kwamulabe.
Kwam in interest, Nebalam.
Yanere Kamaneka Mukbe. Nabaganti omukazi owewakanga omujonyesa omukuba n'afulayo omusajja kubira ku mwenge n'ogenda okanga amanya byaga kujjemu amuwane kaboozi naffe abadde atujooga nga atukuba bw'atunyako bw'atunyalako. This man must go to his village and road. If he wants to access this man, he should go to New Vision Sweden. Me to be on mpaka New Vision.
Okuddawo ne Balamu. Kitegeeza nti ovaluwinga nnyo General Muhoozi.
Yes, why?
Because you are now with same
Auntie,
team.
Why? I'm a political scientist. Muhoozi has managed. He's going to be very strong. Why? Unlike other people in the past, who are seeing Museveni as the problem, a panacea, and Museveni is removed. Muhoozi says this is a reformable. We are suffering from
reforms.
Political inertia. Chigaze, Babi betuba. Babi batubajewo sente zituuke mu bantu.
Narrative ya General Muhoozi egamba tuliforming government tukuba ababbi abadde bavumaganya government lwe lutalo lwe nese sikujjako president
ngabano kibakolanga
ekigeza General Muhoozi tayagala kujja ku taata we nayagala kuliforming government
era kyobala nti military temunyega
amaje gasirika
ojja kulaba yo n'omulala era naye gwe bakkiriza okubeera ku lukungana lwa Muhoozi kubanga commander in chief kasakukkiza Kayihura yawedde. Why? Nti Muhoozi is helping Museveni to rehabilitate those who are undermined by him, which cannot do.
Ukitegedde.
Ono bejoga nga nabani yako.
General Muhoozi bakomyawo
ne bajjayo sente ne bazibba bane yena duka nagula ebizimbe no. Mwenda has left. Yabadduseeko.
Mwenda yadduse.
Yes. And Muhoozi is very strategic. At this infancy stage, you need your close relatives. Abo by chairman bani to guard against infiltration. What the weaknesses has told me to meet him next week. Convoy in nene muji reducing, but what really anti-corruption, extravagance.
Convoy ya General Muhoozi inokendezebwa.
Yes, two bajoyi riders mu bakendezemu. Mujja kufuna accident mukula yajifuna ko accident ne basanga mu muwala atategerekeka nga mwana wa university. Mujja kufuna accident mubuze je bavudde kubaba enemies bakola. Even yesterday they were in a meeting nga mazobe expose.
Kakati ebyo muzeyi.
Iri nti Muhoozi must not be an imported item. Muhoozi must be localized.
Nokudda mu bantu
wajja mu kitundu mumulekera abantu baayo bategeka omukolo.
ali akati ekizibu kya Genomozi kye namulabako security ayina nnene SFC naye nga wadde security ayina nnene yes naye abeereko mu bantu bamuwulire
anti kakati ekikulu kyayina Muhoozi is not addressing Irali
tali mu campaign
he leaves it to the chairman why nono musajja deputy commander oyoleru yagenda nakola omukolo wabwe nakola ne kanisa they used to use your statements but Muhoozi is not a hostile. If you judge Muhoozi like it in your phones, they are different. They want the two to appear the same.
Kati Muzeyi ngeri kati one of the first family members oyogeddeko naye ensonga zino ogenda zimugamba convoy ya Genomozi
banga bali baagala kutite bajja tuteekamu abantu kubanga malayini Muhoozi kiganye and Muhoozi is only remaining with two hurdles. One, release from the army. Two, to talk to his father. Mutemuchitegeera Museveni ogende wa mutabani we nalirayo Easter. Would it make headlines? Naganti we discuss this.
President Museveni Easter ajirira wa Genomozi.
He wanted to demonstrate to the Tadongos and the Tango Doyis. The boy is not the barriers as somebody has been misleading them.
Abanene mwene ale mamba de bagamba minister bali omunsi. Yavayo n'agamba.
Tuyogero yonuko. Bali munsanuka. In our government, we cannot have people like Ebyaabwe. A minister of information must be very credible. A source must be very credible. But you must say, government of Fetaiza Kuberam.
Yakama mbu Genomozi byakola mbu bili against dero.
Anti kakati ye tuyina legal department mu UPDF.
Lwaki temuvunaani?
Ojo tumuli. Those are turncoats they use. Atabo ndabo batunulira bayina skeletons.
Turncoats nga kigambo kinene.
Oyo Tango Doyi biyakole makerere era bijja kujja.
Tango Doyi akulira okulonda mwenale.
Sejja kunuka. Tango Doyi abantu b'enale mu beyabbako sente nti abayisemu academic papers zaabwe milioni meka bijja kudda. Enogi sejja kunukirako ne mu nnyumba ye. I see these people.
Fact abantu abatagala.
Misread too. They want to cover their past. But it is kigenze. Whether you like it or not, Muhoozi will have a big say
in the next government.
In the next government, even if Museveni comes back.
Era tekibataasa.
Era nange abazzukulu kye mbagamba timumuwagire Museveni. But don't become a gundi, a campaign team. When Museveni goes, he will surrender you to somebody else. Nti bannange nze sikomyewo naye mukoleki. That's what Baganda do. Omuganda bw'ajja mu lumbe nga mirundi yafudde ne wajjawo omusika buli omu tukuyita okulaamiriza. Please inherit me. Mirundi has been my brother, has been paying school fees for my children, has been a great friend of mine. He could not leave something when I come here. Would give me food, would give me more, so that the successor inherits you. Two, it helps Museveni not to go as a reject. Waliwo abasigadde nga bakola ki? Nyerere badda mu luguudo ne bakaaba. Nyerere n'abaga no, let me go now and supervise you, because one time there will be a vacuum. Waliwo e Malawi Mama Kazamira bamubuulira ba party nti Kamuzi Banda is Sinairo, but Mama Kazamira believed that he would rig elections because the party was entrenched. Like the people who said that NRM was entrenched. The Malawians, because of Mariti Party, voted along with regional lines, tribal lines, and as a result, a Sinairo Kamuzi Banda was trounced. He left the State House in a stretcher. First family, you know, a new succession. The Agatha Habyarimana divided the Hutus alongside the north and the south. The southern Hutus became moderate Hutus. When they saw RPF, they looked at it as their military wing. Bizimungu, Twagiramungu, Ugirimana, Agatha Ugirimana. The stupid northerners, northern
Hutus,
killed the moderates. What, in fact, if the Agatha Ugirimana, the Twagiramungus and what, if they had remained in Rwanda, they would have by now, they would be playing a very big role.
Kitegeeza first family ebeera nnyo ezanyira nnyo mu succession.
Kasamuba nti waliwo ali bent. When this man takes power, he cannot hold the power. Demonstrate how you can hold the power. Tell us one of your companies that are moving on ono financial prudence or business acumenship etalimu monopoly to prove your managerial skills.
Nze tetugenda kusukkawo wano naye nga tumaliriza program y'olwaleero oba deputy speaker Tayebwa ne minister wa internal affairs police Jegwa General Tafire balina obutakkaanya
anti bava wamu Otafire bamulete Otafire bamweyambisa ishiki has become already nti Otafire bamukuba ne bamulete akahonda oyo ne bamujjayo Tayebwa baleeta mulete kuva mu FDC ne bamuleta Tayebwa walked on photo kata innocent from Najana Nkumbi. That's what annoyed him. Ne bamuteka mu gundi nga bwabadde akola n'ajoga wamala okunia kona akujaina akongera nagisha endala nze nagana kakati today no what they want to demonstrate that they are untouchable.
Speaker
the person who leaked the information that speaker was going to be arrested has been arrested for what? Arrest me.
Nawe wagamba nti speaker bagenda mukwata
bwe bayina
kati yabeyogedde bamusibye
bagenda kwanoyinga public
linda kumuzeyi eyavudde naye nti speaker bagenda mukwata mbu bamusibye gwe nga tebannakwata
ntuli bakitalo
mbu buli akwogerako bamukwata
parliament is going to precipitate a revolution. Fetukola kintu kimuka
naye speaker alina okukomya ebintu ebyo
mabaati ngaduka temina
speaker akwata nnyo abamwogerako which is bad ne maama Kadaga baali bamwogerako president bamwogerako first lady bamwogerako
does she order arrest
nga takwatangayo n'omu.
You always remind me that this government is unique. You are fighting with a close relative of the president. You are not killed, you are not arrested.
Kyenagamba muzeeyi.
This is the nature of democracy.
Nti gwolwana ne bakoddomi ba Museveni n'osigalawo nga mu nsi ki. So this government is unique.
Yes, is unique.
Speaker alina otegeera tali wa kitalo nga bw'alowooza.
N'oyo Tayebwa balina okutegeera.
Okwata bannamawulire.
If you believe they should be told the limits
of parliament and their immunity.
What powers do you have? Segirinya mubaka pale mtakwatibwa. Mubaka pale who are you? Bagende basome mu downloading. There is a man called Lord Archer. Lord Archer in Britain was the largest financer of the Conservative Party in Britain. Lord Archer went to a beach with his friend, with a prostitute or a girlfriend. They were pictured. The newspapers alleged that we found Lady Archer was found with a girl, a woman who is not his wife. Lord Archer went to court and sued the newspaper. The newspaper was awarded, Lord Archer was awarded £500,000, but they failed to share it equally with his man, who was there, his friend. His friend went back and retracted the story. Lord Archer is in prison. Bamusiba. Lord Archer. In Britain, parliamentarians were found and ministers. They were given privileges that if you are not living in London, you can rent a house in London. They were found that the buildings they were calling rented buildings were theirs. And one of them was using that man okugula blue movies for her husband. Ayake. They went.
Bungereza yabagoba.
Hey. Bano bakyali primitive abantu bawano amachalizimu nti omuntu alowooza nti wakitalo
panga mubaka
depending on how your background is. Me, I have not, in spite of the enemies I have not fallen into their trap. Why? I've been in journalism, in public life, in the limelight since 1979.
Since 1979, you're in
Mawulire. Ninawo
1979
era ndisagala muntu anyanjula ku mukolo
Idi Amin lwe yali awamba
bwe naliwo nze sinagwa mu bintu
nno maze banga dene mawulire so bino bya bulijjo
ku wange emotoka ziliko namba nkadde naye weziri
Benz
machi ayabo all tribes of cars
zimezemu n'omuddo so kati gwe bintu byensi tebikumalamu
era ogenda n'obulaba ng'otuluse ku mukolo ne kadduka emisinde wotookedde wana awanike ku mukono genda okuwanisa ennyoko
nze talaba ku introducing ku mikolo.
I'm 40 miles. There was a time when I went to attend the burial of Kano Kasire Gwanga's mother, and they introduced me fighting over the microphone. Mirundi batugambye Mirundi wali stand up, I refused.
Toyimirira.
I did not go there for display. No.
so gwe byokwanjula ku mikolo tobyagala
kati tugenda kwabya lumbirwa jjajjaawo yes ebyo byokunsoma nti aleese kino na kino tebabinsoma kuba bw'obinsoma kitegeeza nti siri wawaka
yimirira owubire ku bantu towuyimirira towaze for discipline ate kyogereko so muzeyi tetugenda kusukka wano
kakati amaalo bano balina amaalo
parliament erina amaalo
erimu abaana abato erimu abaki
speaker ne deputy speaker balina okutereeza
bafuna kye beetuuma tinze ssente kakati they have to get a lecture from senior people as I told you nti Museveni ayite Mwenda lecturing eki cabinet because I saw Mwenda in the meeting the best statement I've ever heard from Ugandan. Mwenda yabagamba if we don't get right and right enough to right the darker corners of government we are falling. The national coffers are empty.
Mwenda nga yabagamba tizo Mwenda wamaanyi
and you cannot tell Lugorobi to go to IMF and World Bank.
Kale tetugenda kusikawa
you no say Lugorobi is dead, Bobi Wine is dead, Mpuga is economically dead. Why? How can you fail to take advantage of a stinking scandal in government and you say you are in opposition? We don't have opposition leaders. Myself, I've taken advantage of it. I grabbed it from the opposition. They're now controlling it. I'm more vocal on this than the people who would do it. Two, Museveni has demonstrated he's in charge. He can dispense you. You are nothing. You were sparkling in the bicycle.
So president has showed to the ministers that they are nothing.
Muhozi.
The Muhozi factor.
Have I told you that even the IGG report must be copied to Muhozi?
The report IGG yakoze.
Jakola yonna ku corruption.
Baina jiweereza General Muhozi.
Yes, kubanga abadde awaya abatali batuufu.
Betty Kamya. IGG.
The IGG report must be approved
by General Muhozi.
By General Muhozi.
Manyinga muina manje nakoze.
Kintu ekintu bajja kisuulanga tulaba. Tetujja kudduka.
Government ejja gwanga
mulaba. Bwefuzi. One who died witnessing an incident that has deeply affected my way of looking at things. We had a woman, a Gaddafi representative here, Muhammad yamalako n'emyaka omusanvu n'akoma wano. Nga buli kaseera abuuza bwe yalabanga Museveni. Your Excellency, I have a message from your brother Gaddafi. But when Museveni went to Addis Ababa to reconcile Gaddafi with the rebels, he found the man chairing the meeting was Muhammad. Museveni asked Muhammad, where are you here? Are you representing Gaddafi? No, I'm the leader of the rebels. Most of these people are stealing money. We're stealing iron sheets. We're stealing Polish money. We will jump to another government.
Ngene good
day. Eroka demuga be katuka kube kati. Muhozi kaka kati akajemu n'empale.
Buli baluwa yonna eveewa IGG.
Buli report ya IGG.
Eri ku corruption egenda buterevu wa General Muhozi. N'ajja approve.
Ajidde mwaje bolereze. Beti kamyana yawedde. Beti kamya byasibane biragala. Olumanya olunyankole. Beti kamya byasibane biragala. Live it to banyankole.
Mzee, olaba n'olunyankole oluyize. Kale tetujja kusukkawo wano. Mwebale nnyo okutulaba n'okutuwuliriza. Saimo, wisdom azze.